can't access the club because the bridge is dilapidated to the point that it needs to be completely rebuilt. It basically had timbers rotted. They've been there since 1939 when it was built, and so the bridge has to be completely torn down and rebuilt back up. And of course, as a small community club, we don't have the $1.2 million to rebuild the bridge, and we've been basically told that Metro doesn't have the money.
Yeah, there's some really cool, also every Commodore that's ever been, there's a picture on this wall, and it goes all the way back to the original ones. It's probably my favorite part is some of these pictures, you know, from that.
We have a beautiful facility down there for barbecues. We have this lovely clubhouse, which we can't use because obviously the bridge is shut completely down. For 71 years, Tacoma Outboard Association has used this facility, and if the bridge is closed, then obviously we will have nowhere to launch.